Guys, how una doing now? I see say una just dey comot from Stamford Bridge last weekend. Where una manage draw Chelsea for 9 minutes. How e go be this weekend now?
E go be as we take beef for last season.
You mean as we take flog una 5-0 last season, abi?
No, I mean as we take end una unbeaten run and comot una from Champions League.
Local champions. Na only for EPL una fit make noise.
See, I no be Hazard. I go personally score hat-trick on top una head. Make I see how una go take equalize for 10 minutes.
Na for Anfield you wan do that one, abi?
Before uncle.
Oya now, we dey wait you.
Gunners! Hey! As we dey now, na winning streak we dey so. Anything wey we jam for road, make we gun them down. We no dey pity anybody, even Man U. As they go face Fulham for their home.
See am. See the kind pay wey you wan gun down. Fulham and Man U. The time wey una jam better team nko, una bullet finish.
Pochettino, why did they stop me and my boys? I go cause cycle for you.
Wait first, make your blood no dey hot. Na this boy carry me come. Where he dey sef? Boba,
Sir?
come here. The guy come for where we dey do training. They beg me say make I consider to sign am for next transfer window. Say him no know where Man U dey go with Mourinho as their coach. At last say space no dey. Make him come try una. Maybe una fit need am.
We no need them.
You sure?
Papa, what you dey do here? Na training you dey wan touch so?
No be training una dey do there. You just dey insult and quarrel with everybody.